Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to disable raise to wake in your Redmi phone device. Guys, you want to disable your raise to wake settings, so guys you can disable it. And guys, now let's see how to disable raise to wake in your Redmi phone. In this video I will show you friends. Okay, when your phone is screen on, and guys when you take your phone and guys, your phone is screen on automatic, so guys you can off this setting guys, like this setting guys. So you want to off means get disable, so guys you can disable it in your Redmi phone. In this video guys I am going to show you. So friends, now let's see friends. First of all, open your phone setting to disable raise to wake, then guys scroll it, and guys you can see your lock screen setting. So guys tap here, guys you can see your raise to wake. So guys you can see this blue icon, so guys tap here, then guys your raise to wake disable, then guys you can not use your raise to wake setting in your Redmi phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to disable raise to wake. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.